So how to add WhatsApp profile link on your Facebook page? First of all, you need to open your WhatsApp apps and then scroll down and select business tools. Press on it, scroll down and press on short link, and then you can see share link, copy link and QR code. So I want to add my WhatsApp link to my Facebook page, so I need to copy link and linked copied. Now go to your Facebook, press on your Facebook profile, and top right corner you can see edit option. You have to press edit and scroll down again and you see link. You have to press on add, and then you see add social link. You have to select WhatsApp platform first, WhatsApp, and now just paste your link here and then press on save, top right corner, save. And this is my WhatsApp. Reload your page and go to the about section, and this is it. This is how you can easily add WhatsApp to your Facebook page. Hope you enjoy. Please like and do subscribe. Thank you for watching.